Hey guys, what's up? This is George from Out of the Box Reviews, and this is the new SQ12 mini camera. The SQ12 is the latest addition to the mini cameras family. About 4 months back I reviewed the previous model of this tiny camera, the SQ11. Click on the top right of your screen to check it out. The SQ12 is the improved version of the SQ11, so let's see what's different about it. It comes in a new box and the full name is SQ12 Sports Mini DV Camera, which implies that it can be used as an action camera. It's a full HD camera with a resolution of 1920 by 1080p at 30 frames per second. It has a 155 degrees wide-angle lens, it can record video with sound, can be used as a web camera, and you can take 12 megapixel photos with it. It has night vision mode and motion detection. The camera is powered by a 200 mAh battery, which gives it about 60 minutes of recording time or about 2 hours of standby time. So if you plan using it as a security or a dash camera, you should keep it plugged in power all the time. In the box, along with the camera, you get a crocodile style clip and a wall mount, a USB TV out cable that can be used for charging and connecting the camera with your PC or a TV display, and the instruction manual, which is huge and badly written, so later on I will guide you through the different modes step by step. The body of the camera is similar to that of the previous model. On the top there are two buttons, on and off and mode button, and on the side there is the microSD card slot and the mini USB port. The maximum size for the SD card is 32 GB. Apart from the color and style, there are three main differences from the SQ11. The SQ12 is a bit larger than the previous model, it has only two infrared LEDs compared to the 6 of its predecessor, and lastly the 155 degrees wide camera lens. The small size of the SQ12 makes it ideal for situations where a hidden camera is required. The lack of a viewing screen though, or at the very least of any kind of aiming aid, makes it hard to know where you're shooting at. Let's take a minute to go over the different modes of the camera. Pressing the power button for 2 seconds will turn the camera on. The default mode is 720p and the LED will be blue. Pressing the power button once will start the recording. Press the power button again to stop recording. While the camera is not recording, press the mode button once and it will enter 1080p mode. The LED will be purple. Again, you can start and stop recording by pressing the power button. Pressing the mode button again will set you to photo mode and the LED will be red. You can take pictures by pressing the power button. Press the mode button again and the camera will return to its default 720p mode. To enter night vision, in any standby mode, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. The LED will flash red briefly and the infrared lights will turn on. To exit night vision mode, simply press and hold the power button again for 2 seconds. To enter motion detection mode, while the camera is on standby in either 720p or 1080p, simply press and hold the mode button for 3 seconds. The LED will flash briefly and then go out. To exit motion detect, simply press the power button. Finally, to turn the camera off, press and hold the power button for about 6 seconds. Now let's take a look at some clips and photos I shot with the camera. Take notice that the camera records in 5-minute loop, meaning that it records 5-minute long clips until the SD card is full. Then it rewrites the older files with new ones and so on. While the quality is not perfect, keep in mind that the camera costs only $50, so I would say you get your money's worth. If you want to buy this little camera, I will have some links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button and leave a comment. This was Out of the Box Reviews, stay tuned and I will see you in the next one.